now we'll move on to our next topic under shell scripting, that is redirection of standard input output. So we'll first understand the concept of redirection. We'll have this greater than, two greater than signs and less than as a redirection operators in Unix. So most Unix system commands take input from your terminal and send the resulting output back to your terminal. A command normally reads its input from a place called the standard input, which happens to be your terminal by default. Similarly, a command normally writes output to standard output, which is also your terminal by default. For example, ls command gives output to screen. So to send the output to file of ls command, we give a command as an output to a file. So there are three main redirection symbols. First is greater than redirector symbol. So we use a Linux command, then greater than sign, then file name. To output the Linux command result, output of command or shell script to a file. So if you want to redirect the output of a command or shell script to a file, then we use this redirector symbol. Note that if file already exists, it will be overwritten, else new file is created. Next we have double greater than sign. So this is also redirector symbol we have here. So what the syntax is Linux command greater than file name. To output Linux command result, output of command or shell script to the end of the file. So this redirector symbol is used to append into the file. Note that if file exists, it will be opened and new information or data will be written to end of the file without losing the previous information or data. And if file does not exist, a new file is created. So if we have an already existing file, so it will append at the end of the existing file, and if we don't have the file, it will create a file. So next we have less than redirector symbol. So Linux command less than file name to take the input to Linux command from the file instead of the keyboard. We use this redirector symbol. Now we move on to redirection examples. So let us now look at the redirection, the greater than redirector symbol. To send the output of ls command, give ls greater than my files. Now if my file exists in your current directory, it will be overwritten without any type of warning. So if it already exists, if you already have the data in this my file, the data will be overwritten by the new file. The greater than redirector symbol to send the output of date command to already existing file, give command date then my files. Right, so it will append the date at the end of the file my files. So to take the input for cat command, give. Now if we want to display the output of my files, what we'll do, cat my files. So it will, instead of taking the input from the keyboard, it will take it input from my files. So we'll just see these examples that we learn now in PuTTY. So what we'll do here is we'll just practice this in PuTTY. We have ls my file. So what it will do, we'll move to next different directory, // and demo, because we have some files there. So now we do ls my files. So the output of ls command, that is this, is written to the file my files. Now I open cat my files. I have the list here. So all the files are written into the file my files. Now when I do date my files, so we have a double greater than redirector operator. So here what it will do, it will append at the end of the my file. So when I do cat my files, I'll see that at the end I have the date. So date is appended at the end of the file my files. So as in we are redirecting, as in we are taking the output and writing into a file. Next we have, we'll see next examples. So we can use the redirector simultaneously as follows. Create a file, cat fruit names, apple, orange, mango, peas, and then control D to save. Then what we'll use, sort fruit names, sorted fruit names. So what it is doing, it is creating a file fruit names. So what it is doing, as in the sort command is taking input from fruit names file, and then the output of this is getting redirected to sorted fruit names. I'll repeat this again. The sort command is taking input from the file fruit names, and then the output of this command, that is the sort command applied on list of fruit names, is redirected to file sorted fruit names. So I'll just show this example here in Putty. I'll clear the screen first and then we'll just see what happens here. Cat fruit names, enter. Then I'll just paste these, right, enter, control D to save and exit. Next I have, I'll do this, run this command, and then I'll display the content of sorted fruit names. But I'll see now I have the sorted list. So this is how we use the redirection operators here in these examples. So this was all about the redirection symbols. These are extremely useful when you are doing the real-time programming using Unix. So thank you so much for this session.